My Catholic Faith Delivered brings your parish or school a new approach to religious education, a more effective way to engage your students in the faith. We'll partner with you to flip your classroom, a concept that flips basic instruction to the home through online courses. In addition to helping students who miss class due to illness, athletics, weather, and other reasons, here are the benefits for catechists. You'll spend less time lecturing and more time on skills and application. This approach helps parents be the primary educator of the faith by giving them a systematic program to use with their children at home. Flipping the Classroom uses engaging educational technology. It speaks the language of youth and presents information in a way they find engaging. Plus, it is delivered on any device at any time. It's a customized approach that meets families where they are in their faith. How is it done? My Catholic Faith Delivered offers the complete text of the Faith and Life series, plus games, activities, and videos, and quick, easy tracking through automatic assessments graded by the system. We would like to offer you a chance to take a closer look at the program. Please click on the link provided to find out more. Thank you, and God bless.